Yeah, official. This is Shaletsky skins. This is our first time playing Forsaken, by the way. Sorry.
Yo, can I have pizza?
You can eat it, bro. You can eat it on there. You can eat it. Or you can just eat it. You can just eat it. No. Wait. Try this. Wait. Wait, is it me? Oh yeah, it's me.
I'm the good
killer. Yes, I am the killer. Can't kill him. Skibbities. No, I can't. One is. Where is he? Where are you? I have to find you first. Oh, wait, wait, oh my god, I'm so blind. Oh my god, I missed! I have skill issues! Hello? Give me a peek. Chad, I'm so sucker.
Gunning Snuffy?
Huh?
Snuffy? I'm gonna guard.
I quit. I absolutely quit. I hate Big Killer. Hey, Big Killer Chad. Oh my god, I absolutely hate you. Yeah?
No, wait. What do you want to be? Wait, if someone gets injured, you have
have to heal them. You have to throw your pizza at them.
I only
So they
have
can
equipment.
So let's get you have very bad. Well, you have to choose. Are you sure? You have to slash the killer. So you don't have to. So please don't miss, okay? Don't miss.
Oh, sure. What's it in this? Ano ability?
Oh, no ability.
What's yung ability? Sige, Leo na lang.
Why did you even equip noob in the first place? Oh, si John Doe. Burger makes you invisible. And for flight skin, you have to use it when you're chasing, when you're getting chased a killer, or you have to hide it. And for blocks cola, you can just use it for speed. Hey, hello. Kuha na mo kanang siya mo protect mo, or I don't know, I forgot. Hey, look, I can be sneaky. Hey, it's John Doe. Oh wait, what the frick? What the frick? Huh? Oh, what the frick? Huh? Okay. Ah, 6 pagani!
Man, gabihin naman yun.
Hey, gabi pa man, Jude. Wala, tra! We're making a video!
Yes! Stop doing that.
Okay.
They're brains, bro.
Oh my god. I don't know. Okay,
Matulog sila kamatulog.
I don't know. Wait, where are you? I have to show you my abilities. Where are you? Where are you, Laggy? Wait, where are you? Hey, this is my ability. Hey, look at this. This one. I could be like this.
No, it's my ape.
Use your Bloxy Cola. Bloxy Cola! Where are you? Come. Follow me. M the 2 times. Oh, speed. My god, I hate this. Oh my gosh, I hate being 2-time. Oh my god. I'm almost getting like what the freak? Oh my goodness, I'm almost getting to like No! Oh my god. Wait, you have to make it fast because the press is Wala na, oh my god. I have to make sure it's fun.
Isa man to kaning totally no.
I don't know. Wait. What skin should I use?
Maybe the cake one.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite skin. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why can I?
Where did you get the cake?
Huh? It's from a event from December, from the Christmas event. Okay, you can, but don't get too close. Okay, you can try it. You can try it. I only have one. I'm cooked if my parents found me.
Oh my god, the cookie!
That it's a cookie.
I'm dead.
Hell no, not you. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. I am the cake. Look at my dad. Where are you? Are you okay? What sword? I'm gonna chase right now. Oh my god, where are you? I cannot find you anywhere. Are you? No, be careful. I cannot find you. What flag ka? What flag? What? Green ka sa Joe? Green zone ka? Where even are you, bro? I cannot find you. What sword? What flag? They gangbanged a little child.
Yeah, we win. Kita na win.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wanna buy.
Wait, I can do this. Wait, do you wanna see this? Oh my god, it's so noisy.
Pila na oras?
It's 6:59. There's also puzzles and the generators. I don't know. Wait, we're in. Don't go to the poison lake. It's poison, of course. Don't go there. Yeah, don't go to the poison. Don't go to the poison lake. Just go. Just don't go there, okay? Huh? What? Wait, where are you? Are you injured? Oh my god, it's 1x1x1. Oh my god, it's wait, it's the big trade 1x1x1. Can I use Seletsky? Wait, what should I use? By the way, Chance is a gambler. Addiction niya. Gambling. Gambling ba karang? Let's go gambling! Oh, para si Gigi! Para sila best buddies. Sila Gigi o si Chance. Wait, can I use 1-2 time?
Isa ni si Builderman.
Builderman? Ang tawa sa yung abilities. Kuskan! Diyan na siya. Wana papa na ni Cool Kid.
Ito ang ability niya.
Basta lang tawa lagi sa ilang kuan. Kato sa notebook ba? Tawa ra. It's a different people. It's a different player. Basig di sila makadungog. You're too shy. Oh my god. I'm not that too tired. I'm not the kitty cat. Lying in a too tired. Wait, I'm this one. Wait. Yeah, I'm this one. Yeah, wait.
Puzzle? Can you do puzzle?
Yeah, wait. I have to.
Please give me something.
something. There's no items in here. Oh my god. Oh my god, party noob! You gotta be careful. Oh no, she dead, she dead, she dead.
Oh my god, slow me down ang time. Bro.
Tell me where's the killer. Okay, we're done. Okay. Come. Follow na ako. Wait, she's already here? What the freak? Oh my god. Wait.
Come on, man.
Wait, spectate the killer. Spectate the killer. I have to. Oh my god. glasses. I like the glasses. Uy, prasa kita buhok. Prasa kita buhok.
What? I'm a noob.
Jason. It's Jason.
Jason? Nah, he has a bigger hitbox.
He's a 10-year-old. Oh no. Someone died. Oh no. Wait, reminder, cousin. If Jason kills someone, the time will increase. If we do generators, we can load the time. So that's why we have to do that. That's not weird. It's like Daddy's world. Just. I thought you liked Daddy's world.
I like it.
Wait, you have to wait. Make sure kailangan mong voice ipa-loud. Okay, next time.
Okay. So. Okay.
Let's see the results.
I don't know what to do with the pipe.
Huh?
The pipe.
It's okay. Oh no, there are 3 left. Oh no, you have to protect you. Oh my god. For real. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for you. You have to die. Oh my god, I have to die. She's dead. Come, you gotta hide. Don't step on those legs. It can make you slow. I need to find a medkit for myself. Oh, you hit him! Oh no, you have to survive! Go! It's light skin! Light skin! Oh my god! No! Light skin! It can make you slower, so you have to run! Go, run! Diyos ka ba, run! Patient, sige na! Run! This is it! Not there! Run! More! Run! Oh my goodness. Okay, it's okay. You run your first. Okay. Sir. I am my friend over here. Should I say hi?
Kasi itong killer na yun. Kasi parang ito.
Si Jason.
Di ba nagagamit niya Jason ba?
Jason? Wait. What's up?
Cosplay.
I don't know. We're so confused right now. Oh, thank God. Wait, I gotta make it. Oh, you're here. all the players except you, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Should we end the video?
I don't know. No. We're gonna edit.
Okay. Okay. After this, we're gonna check the results. Wait. Can you wait?
Are you doing
What color should I use? Under skin? No. What skin? This is the only skin I have.
okay? Okay.
I suck at everything.
I still need to,
It's alright. Oh my god. Wait, what did you say? What did you say again?
I need to finish.
The generator? That's okay. I can. And also, please subscribe to my cousin. I will link down the description to her channel. Yippee! I think
Nawala lagi ang killer.
I think wait, he's trying to kill Shaletsky. His biggest enemy. Oh no, the time increase. You have to make more. You have to do more generators. You only have done one. You have to do more. Come on, do that. You can. It's okay. It's okay. You can take your time. I can check if the killer is near you. What? Wait. Okay. Okay, save Raka. Take your time.
The killer here.
No. Wala ra. Ako ray pa siya agit, okay? Take your time ra. Hinay ra. Oh no, what? Yes, sir. Ghost burger. Paat ka ni Maximola. Yes. Lava, poison lake. Take your stamina. Go. It's okay, should we end it?
Okay. Fucking shit.
Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye. I'm putting her into my business.